welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest, Rama.
Hi.
She's my best friend and not my makeup best friend, honestly. I'm still in the journey of convincing her to not use sponge tips. Like this shit here, this is crime, okay? We moved past this. Humanity has moved past this. But she's like, I gave her this and she, yeah, no. I mean, we have brushes, you know?
I use the brushes.
So anyway,
Hi.
for today's videos, we're gonna pick makeups for each other and then use whatever we pick for each other. It was a journey. We're gonna show you how we accomplish the looks that we have on our face. Yes, girl. Yeah, it was a bumpy ride for me.
Mm-hmm. Same.
For you, was it bumpy ride too?
Not because of the things, but because I'm just like, I don't know how to use any of this.
So how much do you know about makeup?
10 out of like 100.
Oh, I was about to say 10 out of 10. What?
No. I am not that confident in my skills.
Okay. Well, yeah, when I saw this and that, like, really? Like, I throw this away. Like, now
They're
you know, when we
handy.
lived together, I actually collect like a bag of sponge tip and give it to her.
Yep.
Remember? Okay.
Yes.
And then finally,
I still have those.
If you're interested in how we accomplish this look and how our choice for each other turns out, then keep on watching. So let's start. I picked this whole bag for you. Where's my makeup, yo?
Oh, here it is.
They're all mine, but you know, here you go.
Oh wow, this is heavy.
I know. All right, so let's see. Why did you pick this one?
I thought it was like a color corrector. I'm not sure.
Oh, it's fine. I can use it as that. I picked some stuff here that will probably make you want to punch my head.
I'm just lost. There's so many things.
We have very different
Styles.
yeah, I think that's the understatement, but
Yes.
okay. Yeah, we have very different styles and we have very different
Tastes and things and
techniques. Like,
Yes.
I can never imagine using this thing right here. Like, did you see this? Like right here. This like from the 70s type of sponge. I can never.
it's handy. It's like it has a lot of different things you can do. What?
Nothing? Wow, great mind think alike. Look what I picked for her.
I mean, we've bought those together, so I feel like they're-
Yeah, that's true. She didn't even know what it is. She didn't know what
like,
it is.
I know she uses it, so.
This is too dark for my skin right now.
Oh, did you get pale?
Oh, no, this is not too dark. This is actually too light. Look at that.
Plot twist. I need something that can have a lot of scarring. And...
Erase my past.
Yes, basically.
The white cast, yo. Like, this looks like I put, like, flour on my face.
Oopsie.
This one?
Yeah,
Remember I talked about this on one of my videos?
kind of. It wasn't in the good list.
It was a disappointment list. This is the wrong color! Again, man!
Ah, I'm
Whatever.
sorry.
Like, look, this is too dark.
Oh, I think I remember now. For some reason, I thought you were saying that you liked it. Like I mixed it up with like another product.
Plot twist again.
Plot twist.
Shit, how am I even gonna put that on
Like
my face?
I remember seeing it in the video, and you were like,
This is darker than my face. Look at this.
I'm sorry. Very orange.
It's not my color.
That is true.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna put double duty foundation under my under my eye. That's okay. That's okay. We work this. It's fine. That's the best I can do. You know what, friend? I'll remember this.
Are you going to like spike my coffee now?
No, you already finished your coffee. That's
That's
too
true.
late. Is that why you drink your coffee so fast?
Yes.
You know how much is that?
I'm guessing it's a lot because it should. I'm just like I have so much money on my face.
You
I
just
have to
put
be careful.
about $10 on your face.
Oh my goodness.
Just kidding.
Okay, I need to like not wash my face then for like a day.
You could have used this as a powder brush.
Ooh.
Look at that. Ooh, that'd be crazy. Rama is so like minimalist. Use this for your bronzer.
Oops.
Do you use bronzer like that?
I just use like a teensy bit on my face.
You want to guess how much that is?
$100.
$129.
Oh, okay. I'm only off by $29, but that is a lot. Oh, this is pretty.
You have a lot over there.
It's like a
I
pinkish.
gave her all the Natasha Denona palettes. Like when she heard the price tag, she wanted to smack me on the face.
Like, come on. You need to like be careful with your money. You can't just keep buying makeup. And
I
it's
guess
not-
that's my life struggle.
She has like an entire vanity full of makeup. Like just like the entire thing. It's like drawer after drawer after drawer. Like where there'd be clothes, there's just makeup. There's just makeup upon makeup.
Well, I got you shoes, and you do too. I did a whole video
Look
on
at
this.
these.
I'll link it like up here somewhere. No, there or there. I don't know. I
On my
can't.
face, link it on my face.
Yeah, I'll link it on your face right here. So, and then she also picked for me some of my precious from Colourpop. She was so into this red burgundy color right here. She was like, ooh, this is a nice color, pick. I'm like, did you just look at other colors? And then this is from Etude House. It's a Korean brand. She's trying to go international here. And I just go for the bougie shit. She also picked for a Chinese brand for me, Spenny. And then I think she just simply intrigued because all the swirl colors right here. What should I do today? What are you doing today?
I think I'm gonna do like a pinkish reddish color. Like,
And you start with gray.
yes.
Okay.
Pink goes with gray. No?
What kind of color theory you?
You know what? I think I'm gonna get rid of the red. I think I'm gonna just go pink to gold.
Pink to gold?
Yes. Golden like
What kind of pink you using?
these dusty rosy ones.
Okay. Yeah. Do you, girl? Do you?
No, I'm gonna look hilarious. Pink smoky look.
Yeah, you could do that. Girl, do you?
Dear Lord, give me the ability and tenacity to do this.
Tenacity? Why do you need tenacity to do this,
No,
man?
I need capability. That's the word.
I was like tenacity.
So
I'm
I don't
like,
give up. Like
Perseverance?
Yes, perseverance. That's a good
Okay.
word. I just want to look at this and just like look at it. That's all I want to do. I just want to sit there and look at it. Ooh. Just like coming up with my own color combinations here because I clearly don't know anything about makeup.
This is what they are. Like, isn't that crazy? This is like a black pink color. Like, look at that. Isn't that crazy?
That's not what I expected at all.
How's that going?
It's going.
Okay. That's all we need, right?
Mm-hmm.
We'll just keep going.
I love how your look is like so nice and muted and mine is kind of like over the top.
I haven't added over the top color yet.
Ooh, fancy, fancy. When I do makeup, it's not so much as a, hey, you know, I'm going to plan this and this is how it's going to turn out. It's more like, so this is how my eye's looking now. Let's see how I can fix it.
How can fix it?
Yep. See, the thing is like, it's up to the universe to dictate what I'm going to do with my face.
She's actually shaking when she does her eyeliner.
My
I'm
hands
like-
are always shaking.
Like, she's like, I'm like, girl, it's fine. This is what makeup remover is for. 10 hours later.
Oh no, mascara is easy.
Girl, please don't tell me you just pick the very first one on top.
No, I went through them. But I remember these because like, I remember we got like a whole bunch of them. You got like a whole bunch of them and you'd wear one.
You
like,
want to
every
share
day.
a pair? You want to do the other pair?
Is that a good idea?
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen me with like just everything else?
Falsies. Lashes in for me, she forgot to put lash glue. I'm like, how am I supposed to put them on?
Magic. We're witches.
Highlighter. Ooh, girl, you put it right under her eye. She put it right under her eye.
You know they used to put like rouge on their knees. Like
Rouge?
people, yeah, like on their knees, like in I think it was like in the 40s.
In the 40s, they
like
put rouge on?
1940s. Like when they started showing their knees, they'd start rouging their knees.
Rouge in their knees.
Yeah, it was in fashion to have pink knees for some reason. strange. Like the Victorian ages, people would put like coal on their teeth. Cause like if you had like black teeth, it meant that you were wealthy enough to eat candy and rot your teeth.
What the hell?
People would like take like black eyeliner and draw up the back of their legs, cause it made it look like they were wearing like pantyhose. It's like during the wartime when no one could afford nylons, cause nylons were being used to like make parachutes and things.
Nylons?
Yeah, like nylon stockings.
Oh, that. Okay, I see. See, that's another thing about our preference. I like looks like one color. She just likes freckles and beauty marks and all that.
Beauty marks are beauty marks. They're beautiful.
What did I give you?
Gave me this
All the
gorgeous
bougie shit.
Yep. She keeps giving me this nice expensive stuff and I'm just like, I don't want to touch this because I just want to look at it.
She just dropped it in my eyeshadow palettes.
Okay, nothing was ruined. See, you pack the good stuff.
And what did you do to mine?
I don't know enough to know what's the good stuff.
I picked the most expensive stuff for her. I picked the Chanel powder for her. I did the Natasha Denona palettes. I did what else did I do? I picked a Tom Ford lipstick for her, and I picked the infamous Pore Professional primer for her.
That's some nice stuff.
Makeup Forever, the right fucking color. Yeah.
My
I
colors
picked all this
are
stuff.
just like pale.
So how do you feel about your makeup?
Glowing.
Glowing?
Yeah.
Do you like what I picked for you?
I love everything you picked for me.
Have you ever encountered something that's not your color?
No.
No shade? What's your favorite stuff that I picked for you? That you feel like, oh my god, like if I could, I would. Why is that?
I love the sparkles. They're so pretty.
Show them.
Like Urban Decay has.
That's the Urban Decay Heavy Metal.
But I also really like this.
I don't
one.
want to flash the hell out of you guys.
But I also really love this palette. Like, these pinks are so nice.
This is pink.
Like these dusty roses.
Oh, okay.
Like this dusty color.
So this is the Natasha Denona Lila palette.
Yeah. We love like anything Chanel.
Anything Chanel?
I
I've
don't
never
know.
seen you use anything Chanel. Don't laugh.
That's a good point. See, I like it, but I won't buy it because like I don't have money. So.
Okay. So tell her how nice her scarf looks. That's
This is
mine,
her
by
scarf.
the way.
I'm just wearing it.
Yeah, she's the model.
I'm wearing her outfit right now. Like she got me this cute dress.
Right? I like it.
And like
It looks nice
I should
on
look
you.
this good. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I think this is a nice like
Look.
outfit, right? Like I just see my comfy this thing over here.
You pull it
So,
off.
Yeah.
You could be wearing a trash bag. She'd still look cute.
I wouldn't go that far.
Yes, you could.
I wouldn't throw on a trash bag.
Well, you wouldn't throw on a trash bag, but you'd look cute in one.
Well, that's what fashion's for. I hope you see you guys again and see you guys next time. Bye.